How to activate Bank of Montreal credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to discuss about activating a Bank of Montreal credit card online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the preferred web browser in your computer or your mobile device, and then after type activate Bank of Montreal credit card, or simply type in activate BMO credit card account and hit enter in your keyboard. Then after, you'll come across various websites, and the another option to activate your credit card is through a phone call. Simply dial the number provided on the official BMO website for the online activation and scroll down and locate the activate my credit card or activate my BMO credit card link on the BMO website and click on it. By clicking this link, a new tab will open and follow the on-screen instructions. Click on the initial link that is indicating activate my BMO credit card. Simply click on it and a new tab will open, allowing you to easily activate your new credit card. In this section, you have to enter your 16-digit credit card number, the expiration date, and the security code. You will find this 3-digit security code on the back of your card. And after you have entered all the information correctly, simply click on the next option that is highlighted in blue color over here. You will then be asked to provide your social security number and other necessary details on the following page. Simply follow the on-screen instructions carefully, and congratulations, your credit card will be successfully activated. So this efficient process ensures that you can confidently activate your credit card on an account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do show your support by giving us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more informative video like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.